First could be lack of confidence. And the second one is the fear of failure. People who generally do not tend to be flexible or seem to be difficult are those people who are generally lacking in confidence or they have a fear of failure. What if this happens? Generally, they have a fear of, an anxiety. They have an anxiety level. Their anxiety level is too high. What if my respect goes down? What if this happens? How would I face them? So 101 questions keep bothering them on a daily basis. And beyond that level, they require a psychologist assistance. Yes. Now, what are the reasons for them to behave all these? Now we have identified, okay, so when people with these kind of personalities are tend to be difficult, so we have to mend ourselves accordingly so that we don't heat up the situation. Now, what are the reasons for them? Generally, psychologists say the one of the important reasons for people to behave in these different personality traits is maybe some past bitter experience what they have gone through, or some childhood trauma which they had gone through. It could be anything. It could be in the past some bitter experience which they couldn't come out of it. Maybe subconsciously they are not able to come out of it. So this is the place where I told about humanity. When we all, not all being difficult with everybody. So when we start practicing on that empathy skills, dealing with difficult people is going to be a cakewalk for every one of us. Yeah, putting ourselves into their shoes generally to make it very clear and concise. So identifying the difficult people and dealing with difficult people I've comprised in this video. So dealing with difficult people is not that hard at all. Practicing empathy. It takes some time. It doesn't happen overnight. So when I come across a person who's really very hard for me to go through, but I have to face him on a daily basis. Simple. Take some time to understand him. Take some time to analyze what is he? What is his family? What is his role in his family? What are the things he is going through? What are the stressiest factors he is going through in his daily life? So once I understand with all those stuff, I think dealing with difficult person could be very easy. Yeah, making the person comfortable is very important. So how to deal with difficult people? What kind of practices do we follow to deal with difficult people? It's simple. Following empathy. So let's discuss on this for the next couple of minutes before I could wind up. Thank you.